Okay, finally, the bridal shower ya Pretty Sakamela is happening now. So, which means that probably around Gaboi 20 or something, the wedding will happen because now this wedding we spoke about it for the whole year. But I'm glad that this year, it's a bridal shower, a surprise bridal shower, and it looked very beautiful. And she was actually shocked and surprised, and that really looked beautiful while you're watching it. But again, other things that look beautiful is that Menir Maunga wants to be a team with a girlfriend, and the thing is, it's like the girlfriend does not understand the vision and the mission because now the other party wants to destroy Menir Maunga. So what better way to prevent yourself being destroyed by destroying the other one? You know, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Skim Samsan Bunan di Madekwana. Minjani hi pfukile hi ngo n'wina. So namuntlha ka nongo wa hina wa Skim Sam hi kuma ku ri swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Menir Maunga, I think he just keeps on putting himself in danger day and day out. Why do I say this? Because that cousin Yeshongwe came to his office and said, I heard gore wena o rekisha mmereko. So le nna ke ya go reka mmereko. And wena o tlong hira, right? Okay, he left his number. Menir Maunga ha ba mmeditse kwa ko stationeng sa maponisa ba motsisa ka tsona tse tsa go rekisa mmereko wa hae ena re ha itse 123 123. Then that guy came back again. A re bona nna le ska tshwenya ka CV ya ka, nna ke krele mmereko ko Tefhai. Guess what Menir Maunga did? Menir Maunga, then he said, yes, unemployment, we are fighting with it. O fighter unemployment jwang o rekisa ka mebereko jwang? And not only are you doing that, but you are succumbing to the bullying and the and a blackmail. So o tla go blackmaila go ya go ile, oh modimo wa gotso le o qualify a o qualify mara ba tshwantse gore yo wa itse Menir Maunga o zikupela umgodi shem ngiyambona nje ahambe ejele shiqi, like I'm telling you. Well, on the other hand, again, it looks like when it comes to Mantuli, she does not want to hear anything that has to do with Ushongwe. And in fact, she packed all of Shongwe's clothes and she was saying that Shongwe must come collect everything that is to do with him because he put my family in danger. And at this point, things could have gone wrong. While on the other hand, Utabo, it looks like things are not going all right because after what Charles Kunutu spoke about Ben, things did not sit well with not Ukwaito, Utabo. Now, Tabo says to his wife, Mapiti, you know, you are my companionship. You're supposed to be the one that I run to, but right now you're exposing me, and I've got more problems than the solutions that I have at this point.